the pizza good or complete doo-doo? I don't know yet, so I'll eat it and I'll tell you. Welcome to Salads Pizza Review.
Well, it's time for another pizza review. Today I went to Domino's Pizza in Redwood City on 5th Avenue. Typically I do pizza places that I've never tried before, but right now I'm in a series of pizza places that I have been to before so that I can give them a score and put them in my overall ranking because I'm a completist. Domino's Pizza. Now, I used to go to Domino's Pizza every once in a while, or have Domino's Pizza delivered, I should say, when I was a kid, and I used to love it. But then, about 10 years ago or so, or maybe longer, they changed their recipe or whatever, and I remember trying it again a long time ago and not really digging it that much. But it's been several years since I've been there. I discovered tonight when I was ordering it that they no longer have salami. No salami. Can you believe that, Grogu? No salami. What's up with that? Now, we're gonna give it a try. I got pepperoni. And, ooh, small little poofy pizza. Okay, this is what Domino's looks like nowadays. Domino's. It smells like garlicky. I wonder if there's like a garlicky flavor. We'll find out. Okay, let's try Domino's Pizza. Very light. Okay. I got the sauce right away. Not crunchy, but yeah. The cheese, does it taste like cheese? Let me try. It has a weird chew. It's okay. There is a little hint of a garlicky something. The sauce is sweet. The pepperoni, this particular piece is pretty crispy. It almost has no flavor. There's a hint of a meat flavor. The crust is okay. I'm not getting a lot of overall flavor in general from this thing. It's kind of meh. That's how I feel. Meh. Meh. I do taste, like I said, like a sprinkle of garlicky powder or something. That's not bad. But it's kind of light. But as a pizza, compared to what I've been going to or getting lately, I agree, Grogu. It's not really like doing it for me. I think I'm gonna give Domino's Pizza. I mean, it's better than some of the horrible places, and it's not, it's kind of, meh. I'm gonna go 6.6. It's a 6.6 pizza. Domino's Pizza, 6.6.
New reviews every other Sunday, and shorts of older reviews on Sundays in between. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you enjoyed what you watched, hit the like button. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Finally, tell a friend. It sure would help a lot. Thank you, and may the Force be with you. you.